IRT DREAM's main dashboard page consists of two main sections. On the left hand side here we have different options and buttons that will take you to different pages within the platform, and then on the right hand side here we have the main dashboard. So at the top here it will tell you the number of properties that have been loaded for your portfolio. You will have the current team listed. If you have more than one team, you can click this drop down and select different portfolios. Then we have the option where you can log out from your account. The first section we come to here on this window shows your net zero journey. This will show your starting position and where you need to get to by 2050 to achieve net zero, and an estimation of the cost spend across those 30 years. There's information here on potential match funding that could help you achieve your net zero ambition. We can see information here in this next window on groups. So these are the favourite groups which will have been bookmarked from the groups page, and you can click on any one of these to open them. Your net zero goal. So this metric shows you how far through your properties are to achieving net zero. Our definition of net zero is a SAP score of 86 with an all-electric renewable heating system, all fabric measures carried out, and an electric heating system in place. Further down we then have information on EPC data. This gives you a total number of properties, a breakdown of each band, the number on each, and the percentage that equates to from your stock. You have the option of ordering thermal surveys on this page as well. Further down we then have information on your properties, so these are shortcuts, so you can look at the worst performers, that'll take you there straight away. Your best performers, these are ones with the highest SAP score, and there's other options here, the biggest impact, so these are properties where you could go, in this instance, from an F, which is 22, up to a D, which is 63. So these have the biggest ability to jump energy bands. And then as I get to the bottom here, you then have overall performance stats, so things like the amount of carbon in your carbon footprint for your whole portfolio, what you could get that down to, your potential energy spend and what that could be reduced to, and your energy usage and what that could be reduced to, and then average across each property. You'll also see on this page you can minimize the side menu if you want to have a bigger desktop to look at data. There are also shortcut buttons for different report formats. Some of these are UK wide, so things like your net zero target, whereas SHDF is England only, EISH is for Scotland, ORP for Wales, SHNZHF is for Scotland as well.